All right, let's talk about how you can convert dates to a day of the week in Excel. So here we just have some random dates, and in this column or these rows here, we want to display the day of the week, whether that be Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or whatever. So basically we can use a simple formula here. Simply select the cell adjacent to the date, type equals, and we're going to use the text function. The value is going to be our date, so this cell here, comma, and then we just need to tell Excel how we want that to be formatted. So we'll do quote, D, so D 4 times, end quote, and that's going to put it into the day of the week format. So we'll go ahead and hit enter, and then we can select this. If we double click this square in the bottom right corner or click and drag, we can drag that formula all the way down, and we can see that it's giving us the day of the week. So if we change this to, say, May 15th, 2026, that's going to automatically update the day of the week. And there you have it. Pretty simple, but that's how you can convert dates into days of the week in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.